Hi, I'm Katie Novak with Smart Technologies. In higher education, collaboration is key. Whether it's students' group projects, staff research, or in-person and remote presentations. From large lecture halls to smaller, more intimate study sessions, smart interactive displays are elevating learning environments and making campuses a more connected experience. Interactive displays have come a long way in the past 30 years. Now you can think of them as a scaled-up, touch-sensitive tablet. Imagine students brainstorming together, professors annotating over live presentations, or administrators planning events, all on an intuitive, responsive display that's as easy to use as your smartphone. Today, I'm joined by 3 of my colleagues to talk about how our interactive solutions bring a whole new level of collaboration and engagement to higher education, whether you're a professor, an administrator, or a student. To find out more about how interactive displays promote productivity for staff, let's go over to my colleague, Mark.
Interactive displays have revolutionized how higher education institutions conduct their daily tasks, engage with students, and collaborate across departments. Whether you're a professor delivering a lecture or an administrator organizing events, Smart's interactive displays bring flexibility, efficiency, and engagement into the modern educational workspace. In meeting rooms, interactive displays enhance collaboration in staff meetings, making it easy to present data, annotate reports, and interact with colleagues remotely through any video conferencing tool. In administrative offices, staff can use their project management tools like Microsoft Office and Google Workspaces to update project timelines, track task completions, and visually map out strategic initiatives in real time. Smart's one-touch meeting startup and simple-to-use tools reduce setup time, so your team can elevate productivity across various spaces. Let's get hands-on and show you how. Faculty members can write on the display as they lecture, pulling up notes, documents, and multimedia content directly on the screen. With our industry-leading Smart Ink software, they can directly mark up content on the fly and save their notes into any file format. Smart's best-in-class digital ink and virtually unlimited canvas space makes it easy to visualize, present, discuss, and iterate ideas, ensuring everyone is engaged. Unlike other brands, when you write with Smart Ink, your notes stay put directly on the document you're working on. Smart displays allow staff to interact with multiple applications during meetings, with support for major video conferencing apps such as Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Also available from day one is Smart's remote management, which allows administrators to centrally manage and control all interactive displays on campus from any web browser. This feature reduces the burden of IT staff, allowing them to push updates, troubleshoot issues, and secure devices remotely, eliminating the need for costly on-site support and interrupting class time. Smart Technologies displays are built to last, undergoing extensive testing for durability under extreme conditions. Their long lifespan and minimal downtime further reduce costs associated with repair replacements or purchasing additional units. Our displays are also ENERGY STAR certified, designed to reduce power consumption and drive down your energy costs. The power to run a smartboard is less than a light bulb. If you're looking to attract more students to your higher education institution and scale evolving administrative needs, Smart can help you do it all with the flick of a pen.
Thanks for that helpful info, Mark. Now, let's talk about how a smartboard helps with your student outcomes. We'll go over to Madison.
The classroom is where critical education takes place, and interactive displays serve as the central hub for engaging lessons. Whether it's for a technical lab or a more traditional setting, professors can use interactive displays to pull up resources, work through problems with students, or even display real-time data for discussions. Being able to save these markups directly into everyday files, like PowerPoint and PDFs, mean that students can return to their notes anytime throughout the school year. Students demand more than static lectures. They seek learning environments which mirrors their fast-paced digital lives. It's easy to get participation and share assets from student devices, and Smart offers seamless learning across physical and virtual environments, meaning students attending remotely can interact with the board as if they were in the room. Studies have shown that the ability to interact directly with content leads to deeper understanding and retention. For interactive presentations, students can present their work with real-time multimedia elements, interactive diagrams, and annotations. This turns static presentations into dynamic and engaging learning experiences. Whether it's in the public arena of the lecture hall or the intimacy of a small study group, smart products have the power to elevate the learning environment of your institution.
Thanks, Madison. There's a smart board for every campus, no matter your needs or budget. To find out how Smart stands apart as the industry leader, let's go over to my colleague, Ryan.
For colleges and universities, choosing the right display is crucial to maximizing both student engagement and institutional efficiency. Let's explore 3 standout products from Smart Technologies, the GX Series, MX Pro Series, and QX Pro Series, and see how each one can meet the unique needs of higher education institutions. The Smart GX Series is designed for institutions looking for a budget-friendly yet robust interactive display. It provides essential features that enhance collaboration in the classroom without the high costs associated with more advanced models. The GX Series features embedded Android computing, which allows instructors to run apps, play videos, and access educational resources directly from the display without needing additional hardware. One of the standout features of smart displays is the intuitive inking technology, and the GX Series is no exception. Professors and students can write directly onto the screen with digital ink that's accurate and responsive, making lectures and collaborative sessions more interactive. The GX Series integrates with your existing tech infrastructure, making it a simple and affordable upgrade from non-touch displays. Next, we have the Smart MX Pro Series, which strikes a balance between affordability and advanced features, making it a perfect option for both educators and administrative staff looking for a powerful, easy-to-use solution. The MX Pro Series is equipped with Smart's IQ embedded computing platform, turning the display into a digital hub. With IQ, users can access lessons, apps, and web browsers directly from the board, making the MX Pro Series ideal for lesson planning and execution. The MX Pro Series offers advanced inking capabilities, allowing users to write over any application with digital ink. The ink remains visible even when switching applications, ensuring that notes and highlights are retained across platforms. The MX Pro Series integrates with existing peripherals and works well with both Windows and Mac OS environments. This flexibility ensures that educators can incorporate the display into their current teaching methods without additional technical barriers. Finally, at the top of Smart's lineup is the QX Pro Series, a feature-rich display designed for institutions looking for the best interactive technology. It's packed with advanced features that support not only teaching, but also research, project collaboration, and institutional management. The QX Pro Series comes with everything you need for a successful video conference: a 4K UHD camera, an integrated 8-microphone array, and over 40 watts of sound output, meaning that you're good to go straight out of the box. The QX Pro Series is designed with privacy and security in mind. With NFC login and secure cloud integration, it provides peace of mind for institutions that handle sensitive data. With its extensive touch capabilities and a high-quality display, the QX Pro Series is ideal for research labs where students and faculty work with complex data sets or high-resolution images. The QX Pro Series is also perfect for spaces where large groups collaborate. Its robust interactivity and seamless integration with cloud-based tools make it the ideal choice for institutions focused on innovative learning. While all 3 smart interactive displays bring powerful features to higher education, each series has unique strengths. The GX Series is perfect for budget-conscious institutions seeking to upgrade traditional classrooms with essential interactive features. The MX Pro Series balances affordability with enhanced collaboration tools and is well suited for lecture halls, hybrid classrooms, and administrative spaces. The QX Pro Series is the ultimate choice for universities that prioritize advanced features, large-scale interactivity, and future-proof technology. Whether your institution is looking for an entry-level solution to bring interactivity to the classroom or a top-tier display for advanced research and collaboration, Smart has a product to meet your needs.
Thanks, Ryan. Smart boards have come a long way. They're designed for more than just taking notes or watching lectures. Whether it's between faculty, research teams, student breakouts, or administrative departments, with Smart, you can ensure that everyone is aligned. With one-touch startup for hybrid meetings and lessons, you'll spend less time setting up and more time focused on what matters, teaching and learning. To learn more or talk with an expert in your area, you can find everything you need using the link below at smarttech.com. Have a great day.